Hey guys. Welcome to CK's Tech. We are back with another interesting video. So, in this video we are going to see some interesting tricks with Google Chrome. Before getting into the video, do like and share this video. Let me wait for 3 seconds. And if you are new to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get into the video quickly.
We visit a lot of websites. But not all websites are safe. Hackers might create phishing websites. Some sites are to collect all your data. So being careful while accessing sites are more important. Google has a cool site to check the legitimacy of the site. Just head over to the site shown. Don't worry, links for the website is given in the description below. This site basically tells you whether the site you are visiting has any unsafe content. Next time you find any suspicious link, use this site to verify that site. If we want to search something in Google or any site, we usually visit their website and type the thing in the search box of that site. But Google has made this simple. For example, let us YouTube for example. Just type in the URL of the site and press tab. Now you can type what you want to search in the field. Boom, it straight away shows us the page with the result. This feature works with most of the sites. Trust us, this makes your search a lot simple and efficient. We all have a username for all the sites. But one thing makes us frustrating, that the username which we choose will not be available in all the sites. This where Namecheck.com comes into attack. What this website does is, if you enter the username of your own and click search, search will show you in what sites the entered name is active. Now you can create your unique username and use it for all the sites. We most often work with our browsers. When we are working with our browsers in a hurry, accidentally we close our Chrome and all the sites we open will get closed. We get a lot frustrated. But there is a way to bring them back using a simple shortcut. Press CtrlShiftT. This will bring all you previously closed tabs. This will also work if you accidentally closed a tab. This is a lifesaver option. If you wish to permanently delete an account from a site, not a lot of sites allow to do that. Some sites delete it but keep your data. This is where Account Killer comes in. This website basically deletes your account from the site you choose and will not allow the site to keep your data. And it also comes in handy for sites which doesn't allow you to delete your account. That's all for today's video, guys. Do let us know what are your favorite in this list in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, give us a like and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Let's catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.